Big nail. Remove this one. Previous owner has wired up heated grips and this USB thing, which stays on all the time, and guess what? Because the bike was sat in my garage for a few days, it wouldn't start and I had to bump start this thing. So I'm going to take this out and replace it with an Optimate cable, because this is not good. This is a new one. So normally when you splice it in, you should splice it in properly. This wire here was just jabbed in there and the fuse was stuck on top. Now that, I think, has caused some slight damage to it. It's a little bit warped, but it's not blown, so back in it goes. I think this is for the heated grips. Heated grips. Yank this wire out, runs down here, I pulled it out from under here. So I'm going to snip it there, get it all off. Got these new grips. I think they're a lot better than the other ones, but they don't quite fit right. So they're a bit, I don't know. Not the best, but it's better than it was. And this side, I don't know. Work it out. But yeah, that's one job. And now I've got the Optimate cable installed, which is a lot better than what it was before. Now I just need to put that panel back on, zip tie this somewhere so it's safe, and that's it. And I bought myself this helmet today to complete the look. Why did I get red? Well, the bike's red, and I was going to get black originally, but this helmet's actually pretty nice. Bitwell something. There are some bell lids, but they're really tight to get on, and I couldn't get them on. And there was, I think the medium was too big and the small was just too small. But yeah, this is actually quite nice. I actually really like this helmet. It's not quite retro, but not quite new. So it's got like this flat front, so it's quite nice. And yeah, it's a lot better than riding the motocross lift with that chopper. So yeah. So we're gonna go on tour on a C90. Oh boy. Can I do a re-roll? Can I do a re-roll on that one? Not really, I'm not allowed to, am I? Those are the rules. So yeah, the other week I got a comment saying you decide what you're gonna do on the whim of a dice roll. And you indicated that it was a 52-sided die, but look, I can prove to you that it's a 6-sided standard die, and it's now decided that I'm going to go on a tour on my C90. You know, maybe I've made a bad decision, but the dice has spoken, and a tour on my C90 it shall be. I think I need to extend the holiday days I've got booked. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I guess I gotta prep my C90 for going away. I probably should service it at least and make sure it's got petrol in it and air in the tyres, eh? Oh boy, what have I done?